were 3 old gypsies came to our hall door. They came brave and boldly, oh. One sang high and the other sang low, and the lady sang the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh. It was upstairs, downstairs the lady went, put on her suit of leather, oh. It was the cry all around her door, she's away with the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh. It was late that night, the Lord came in, inquiring for his lady, oh. And the servant girls replied to him as she's away with the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh. Then saddle for me milk white steed, me big horse is not speedy, oh. I will ride and I'll seek me bride, she's away with the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh. Oh, then he rode east and he rode west, he rode north and south also. When he came to the wide open field, it was there he spied his lady, oh. Oh, then why do you leave your house and your land? Why do you leave your money, oh? Why do you leave your only wedded lord, all for the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh? Yeah, what do I care for me house or me land? What do I care for money, oh? Yeah, what do I care for me only wedded lord? I'm away with me Raggle, Taggle, Gypsey, oh. Oh, for you rode east when I rode west, you rode high when I rode low. I'd rather have a kiss at the yellow gypsy's lips than all at the Lord's gold and silver, oh.